Scenarist SDv5 has a great new feature to help author projects with closed captions, also known as Line 21. This new feature applies to multi-story projects in which feature titles are broken into smaller video tracks, known as subreels, to tell multiple versions of a story. This enhanced feature also applies to workflows in which feature titles are broken into subreels in precaution of video quality control issues. This workflow allows for a quicker repair of feature-length content by only re-encoding and QCing a short subreel. Because the number of tracks can be numerous, the task of attaching closed captions becomes significantly time-consuming. This new batch mode allows the attaching of closed captions to video assets simultaneously. It also automatically trims the closed captions file to the timecodes associated to each video. The left side of the screen demonstrates the time-consuming method before Scenarist SDv5. The author has to first create a closed captions file for each subreel, one by one, making sure the events in the file only pertain to the current video. Then, in the data editor, the author has to check mark the line 21 switch. The author then has to assign the closed captions file. These steps would then have to be repeated again and again for each video asset in the data editor. On the right side of the screen is a demonstration of the new Scenarist SDv5 batch mode of attaching closed captions. With the new interface, the author is able to assign a closed captions file to multiple video assets simultaneously. In the data editor, select multiple video assets that will share the same closed captions file. Checkmark the line 21 switch. Then assign the closed captions file. Using Scenarist SDv5, the author will no longer have the need to create individual closed captions files for each video. Scenarist will automatically trim the closed captions file to include only the events within the timecode of each video asset. As a result of the new time-saving feature, we can see that the line 21 switch is checkmarked and that the single universal closed caption file is assigned for each and every video asset.